There are many benefits of our juices as it's full of vitamins.
Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being, and it starts with making conscious choices every day.
Regular checkups are key to staying healthy. We can discuss your results and any concerns you might have.
Carrot, orange, and ginger. Packed with vitamin C and beta-carotene. This combo fights acne and brightens dull skin. Cucumber, spinach, and lemon. Hydrating, detoxifying, and loaded with antioxidants. It keeps your skin fresh and youthful. Juice number 3, beetroot, apple, and mint. It purifies your blood, reduces dark circles, and gives your cheeks that natural blush. Drink one daily for 10 days and you'll see the glow yourself. Remember, beautiful skin starts from within.
And remember, if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more glow-up secrets.